Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create these maze games for kids or even for adults in few easy steps in a Canva. Of course, we also have the key. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. That's just first thing what you can easily realize. This is not a proper traditional maze game where you can have to find a way from the entrance to exit. Here we have to find a way from the green to the red dot. But actually, in the end, will be a same fun. So I just created two new pages because one for the empty maze and one with the key. So I'm going to the apps section and searching for the activities maker. Now I'm jumping to the maze. Here, as usual, we can generate multiple puzzles, and in the maze settings, we can select the number of the rows, like even the maximum is 50. I think 50 I don't want, but try with 30. We can also type it. Answer key pad color. I just try to use something more darker because it on this silver-ish background that's not, maybe it's not visible. We can choose the packed thickness. I choose 3, and also the radius. This one I don't really know what is it, the point radius, but we will see soon. Okay. The point radius means oh yeah, okay. The entry exit points. Okay, now I see. Now I see what is the point radius. Okay. We need to increase to the 10. In this case, it's very visible. So just increasing the size of this game, and you can see, yes, now it's this is why we have to increase the dot. It's now it's really visible, and now it's also with the end with the answer key. You can see it's very nice. The only, for me, the only issue which is bit not really issue. No, for me the traditional maze game is when you have the enter, and where you have the exit, and you have to find the way between the entry and exit. But now here we have to find the way between the green and red dots. So anyhow, it's same fun. Just for me, it's a bit strange this thing that why we do not have the entry and exit, but other than it's a pretty cool feature. We can create this fun for kids or also for adults. If we lowering the number of the rows and columns, that's really good for kids. If we increasing, that's also already a bit more difficult, so it's really good also for adults. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.